Aloha and welcome to another episode of Stay at Home Blues and Oranges brought to you by After School All Stars Hawaii. My name is Miss Tina and I'm a program leader here at Wailua All Stars. In today's video, we will be making our own vision/dream boards. If you don't know what a vision/dream board is, it's basically a collage with pictures of your future goals, dreams, desires, and motivational quotes, and with people who inspire you. In today's video, here are the supplies you'll need. You'll need your images that you're going to put onto your collage, a big poster paper, markers, a glue stick, scissors, and stickers. Once you've gathered all your supplies, you're going to find your images that you want to put onto your dream board. So I just used Google Docs and I added all my photos onto it. I put some places where I want to travel, some of my goals. I added some pictures of my family because they motivate me every day, and some quotes that I like to think about every single day. So you can look in magazines, old newspapers, or you can just do what I did and make your own Google Docs, then print it for your vision board. After you're done printing or finding all your photos from newspapers and magazines, you can go ahead and start cutting all your images out for the way you want. I'm cutting it into squares, but later on I adjust them. So yeah, just get all your pictures together and put it onto the side. If you don't have a printer and you're very artistic, you can also just draw out your goals, but I'm not very artistic, so that's why I chose to do the Google Docs version of my pictures. So once again, this is your dream board, so personalize it to your liking. Once you're done cutting with the last picture, we're gonna move on. Just make sure you have all your images that you want on your board. Our next step is to write your name onto your vision board so people know that it's yours. I wrote mine in the middle, but you can write yours on the top or the bottom or even the side. Again, it's your vision board, so do whatever you want. Next, we're going to start grabbing our images again. You can trim the images if you want, change it up, and you're going to start placing your images onto your paper. So I kind of organized my pictures into like categories. You can see that I put all my travel goals in one corner, then I put my personal goals on the other, and my family at the top because they motivate me, and then at the end I put quotes all over. Once you decide on your final placing, you can grab your glue stick and start gluing your pictures down to the big paper. So a vision board is meant to serve as a reminder, so it motivates you to reach all of your dreams and goals. So people put it like near their nightstand, they hang it on their wall, just somewhere where they can see it and be reminded of their goals and dreams. So like I said before, personalize it to your liking. You can move your images around as much as you want until you like it or are happy with it. So once you get to the end and you glue down your last picture, you can go around and glue down the ones that are kind of sticking up still, just making it secure. Now that you're done gluing, you're going to go ahead and grab your stickers and place whatever ones you want in the gaps of your vision board. I got these stickers from Walmart. They're just like motivational, cute planner stickers, but I like them, so I'm just adding them all over, the ones that I like, making it cute. Another alternative you can use for stickers is you can print it or you can just handwrite it, free write it or draw, whatever you want. I spend a lot of time putting stickers onto my dream board because there's a lot of empty spaces, but I'm gonna go ahead and explain my goals in the meantime. So at the top half of my dream board, I have my family and friends. They motivate me every day to better myself, and I want them in my future because they got me to where I am today. They're also my biggest supporters, and I couldn't be more thankful for them. So in the bottom right corner, I have my travel goals. Hopefully, one day when coronavirus is gone or we have a vaccine, I could go to Japan, to Paris, and even Disneyland. In the bottom left corner, I have my personal goals. So I want to learn a new language. I don't know what language, but that'll be a very exciting thing to do if I ever do it. You see a graduation cap. I'm currently in college to be a radiologist. So that's why you can see that little x-ray man there. Then I also have a piggy bank with like money coming out of it. I want to be better at saving. And right next to it, I have healthy foods because I do want to change my diet, but we'll see. Then above that, I have a camera because I want to take more pictures because I feel like I don't take enough pictures of things in my life. And then next to that, I have more study things. And lastly, on my vision board, I have my quotes. So I have do things that make you happy, keep dreaming, what is done in love is done well, kindness changes everything, be an encourager, go for it, always look on the bright side, do all things in love, be the reason someone smiles today, a happy life, and follow your heart. So after you're done sorting through your pictures, adding whatever you want to make your vision board look more full, this is what your final product should look like. So you can see all of my goals and dreams and people who motivate me, motivational quotes, and things that I want to do in the future. So have fun with this, guys.
Thanks for watching and being a part of our After School All-Stars Hawaii Ohana. If you're joining us on YouTube, don't forget to subscribe, follow, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of our new videos. Please also follow at All Stars Hawaii on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok to connect with us. We hope you share this video or leave a comment about what you liked and what you want to see next. Bye!